So this video is our introduction, just so that you know who we are, guys. So we'll say a few words about ourselves and also what our channel is about. You were supposed to say that.
Yeah, my bad. I just forgot.
Okay. It's
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so now let's start the
Sorry, with
introduction.
me?
Yep.
Okay, so I'm Raj. So I'm basically from India. I'm living in Europe for the last 6 years, and I'm basically an engineer, just like most Indians are, I guess. And then I did software engineering for a while. I have a master's in Europe, and I studied in Germany and Sweden. I studied artificial intelligence and robotics, and then I decided to do medicine, veterinary medicine, and I chose Poland as my country of study. And after living like 3-4 years in Germany and Sweden, I moved to Poland, and now I'm in my third year of medical school, veterinary medical school, and that's it about me, I guess. Yourself?
Yeah, now it's my turn. Yeah, so my name is Olivia. I am Polish. I spent kind of all my life in Europe. So I am an artist. I did master's degree also in media arts in Wrocław, where he's studying right now. After that I decided to continue my career as a UX UI designer, and for that reason I moved to Germany, and that's where I found my second job as a UX UI designer, and that's where I'm staying currently. So I worked for a space company, and that's where I was designing this coordination software for satellite operators. Meanwhile, I'm looking for a new job.
What is this channel is about?
Yeah.
So we ourselves do not know what this channel is gonna be, and it will be mostly, we both love to cook. She cooks great Indian food, by the way. You guys will be blown away. And
Okay.
cooking, travel, and technology. I would like to show her and talk about the new upcoming or releasing technologies, and I can just blow her away, I guess, with the new innovations and stuff in the AI breakthroughs in AI and other things. So I can't wait to show her a lot of things. And to cook, and as we said, like, we both love food a lot, especially Indian food, and she eats a lot of spicy food as well. So
Yeah, surprisingly I do.
yeah, that's awesome. Yeah. So and we would also travel a lot as well. So we would like to also document those things and take you guys with us. So
Exactly.
anything else?
Yeah, in general, we also concentrate quite a lot about India, right, and the cultural differences as well. So this will be the topics, plus anything extra that you will see later on this channel.
Yeah, and you guys can recommend us and ask us questions, I guess, and
Of
we will
course.
also try to answer it and see
Exactly.
where it goes. Yeah. So
Okay, and then
that's it.
thank
Thank
you.
you. Bye.
Bye. See you next time.